Hello world, siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Today I'm in Jalan Bisma in Ubud, guys. Jalan Bisma is just opposite the Jalan Monkey Forest. Jalan Monkey Forest is over there, and so this is the great area where you can find so many boutique hotels, new restaurants, cafes, still very local vibe, but very close to the Ubud center. In case if you don't want to live in the Ubud center where it's, you know, so much hustle and bustle, especially as now Ubud is quite busy, back again, yo, you can come here and enjoy the Ubud center, but not in the center. It's just like, I mean, it's like you can see Ubud center over there, but this street is totally new, and it's like, I mean, walking like 10-15 minutes from the Ubud Center art market, or you can take a grab bike or any kind of local transport, and just in 5 minutes you will be there. And well, it's just pretty cool. I'm gonna show you around. So this is it. This is the Bisma street, Jalan Bisma in Ubud. So many restaurants, and to be honest, when I was here last time, there was definitely less people around. Now it's definitely much busier, as you can already see on every corner. Just the beginning of the street, and you can see already tourists driving on their motorbikes, walking. Hotel seems busy, or at least there are some guests around. So like as I said at the beginning, Jalan Bisma is popular for the very boutique hotels and the new business establishments, like so many guest houses, still local vibes, so many boutiques, shops, cafes, stuff like this, but especially so many boutique hotels and boutique villas. And well, it's just very close to the city center, but already you can feel more village vibe, more local vibe, because you can find the rice fields, restaurants, but life is going here very slow and very peaceful. Road is also very small, only time to time there are some cars passing by, and deep inside you can find so many businesses, villas, shops, small cafes. There are people also here more chill. They are not as that like in Jalan Monkey Forest, just please buy this, buy this. Here you just walk peacefully and enjoy your time. Of course, road is very small, so keep it in mind. There's no asphalt, there's only bricks. You can find already some mini marts, mini shops, convenience stores, so it's really not that bad. Also many nice boutiques, nice car. When I was here last time, there was completely zero around. I mean, there was deserted totally. Now I can see already some trucks driving around, so that's mean as something is going on. That's for sure. So many small boutiques here. You could buy the stuff. Some visitor center already open as well. So it's really nice. I remember this one, that local people used to play billiard here. And yeah, some of the restaurants still seems they are closed. However, hello, yo, the guy, laundry guy, he's bringing the towels and the sheets to the hotel or to the villa. Very happy people now. You can see so many nice villas actually everywhere, and still beautiful rice field. I just don't know what's this gas bottle doing here. But the vibe here is definitely cool, beautiful, especially if you want to live close to the Ubud center, but you don't want to live on the Jalan Monkey Forest because it's too busy or too noisy for you. Here is still very cozy and very calm, so many nice places around. So it's really actually cool. You can find so many cozy restaurants. Already tourists come back as well, time to time. You can see this is another hotel, Goya Boutique Resort. As I said, rooms for rent, this lovely lady walking around. But of course, still you can see the victims of 2 years of the closure, like this one, unfortunately. Well, it was very hard, 2 years. Komaneka, Bisma, another cafe. All is open, congratulations, they just opened. Tourists walking, yo. happy, friendly people everywhere around. So it's going actually, I mean, I like this area. I didn't film too often here because it was very quiet and very empty and very deserted. However, it's still quiet to compare to the Jalan Monkey Forest. When I was passing, it was extremely busy, but it's nice to show you around. Adiwana Resort, actually, I think this will be the bigger resort in this area with the nice restaurant. And there were some people. More and more places like this one looks pretty new and pretty nice, actually very cozy. It's just everything here is kinda new. Nice hotel as well. Nothing here is older, much more than nice art, more than 5 years. So basically everything is here kinda new. Not so long ago this road was just the dirt road without the bricks, without anything. So you get a point of view, but yeah, this area had a huge potential. Everything slowed down a little bit due to the 2 years out of business. But I think next few weeks, few months, and the people already gonna coming back here more often, and the area gonna bump again. However, I mean, it's already everything is opening up. I can see that, so it's really not that bad. However, it's gonna be more and more. Look at that, another huge place, huge villa, and there are some tourists walking around. And this is actually end of the street or the beginning of the street. So on the way, I'm gonna show you on the other side of the street what's going on. Little bit different perspective. So many actually brand new places, what I don't even really remember when I was here last time. Some of them they are obviously closed. There's still a lot of empty land. You could build something here, probably, I guess, but I prefer to keep like this one, the rice field. But yeah, cost of development, right? That's how it is. Jalan Bisma, Ubud, guys. Here we go. More and more, so many actually local kids around doing something, but there are tourists as well walking here. Here we go, guys. So it's really not so bad. I mean, this is video more likely to show you the different perspective, what's going on. Yo, yo, kids are happy. Yo, you see, totally different vibe here. In case if you are interested, and still beautiful rice field over here. Something what left still. Another more and more brand new businesses just open or preparing to be opened again. I think potential of this street is huge, especially as earlier or later Jalan Monkey Forest will be crowded and overcrowded again. Actually, to be honest, really, when I was driving today here was already very busy and it was the big traffic jam, and it's just 1 o'clock, now it's 2 o'clock at daytime. Check this out, so many nice places. So, but this one is still very close to the Ubud center, guys. Today we are focusing only on Jalan Bisma. I want to let you know, show you what you can potentially find out on this street, what sort of businesses. More and more tourists driving around and other businesses. Also you can find the shops and stuff like this. This one is ready to rent, I think. And deep inside there are also villas. In case if you are thinking to rent a villa, remember as most of them they will be deep inside the rice fields, which is cool. However, probably you cannot park the car close to your villa. You need to park somewhere here. But most of you people, guys, if you're coming on the holidays, probably you just use the taxi, right? So, but in case if you would like to stay here long term and driving a car, just letting you know, thinking a little bit, like I will think about myself, taking care of you guys. And here is another some cool place, open. Puri Bisma Ubud, California. Check this out, the name of the place, actually cool. They are just open making the pictures, so cool. Many nice cool things actually around. And also so many taxi drivers, local drivers driving around. That's mean as they are already guests staying around. Because honestly guys, I was vlogging here about 1 year ago and it was like deadly quiet. And I mean, if you would like to watch my old video, was nothing here. There was not even people passing by. No cars, no motorbikes, no people, nobody, no nothing. But now it's definitely better and better. That's for sure. And just behind me, at the front right now, kids driving a Vespas here. That means, as the local people here, they are wealthy. Vespa is not cheap. No, but that's cool. That's cool. And you can find also the many shops like this one with the arts and the woods. And this is almost the end or the beginning of Jalan Bisma again. And you're gonna go to the main street where is the art market, very close to the Starbucks. Actually, guys, honeymoon guest house at the end. Also some cars, some tourists just waiting, maybe going out, check out, something like that. A little parking situation. And over some tourists here and there. Closer actually to the end of the street is much more busier and also more difficult to passing by, but you can find so many restaurants. This is the petrol in the bottles just in case. Another restaurant, some tourists deep inside. Yeah, and basically this is the end of the street. And situation, you're going down and there will be already in the main street, Ubud center, guys, just over there behind this building, guys. And at the end of the video I'm gonna tell you guys, check this out. This is already area of the Starbucks and Pura Sarasvati, and actually it's quite busy. It's super hot, but people already walking on the streets. They're not afraid about the heat, so you can find the tourists actually on every single corner right now if you're gonna come to Ubud, guys. Serious thing, Ubud is back, and Ubud is really bouncing back, guys. I believe about 4 or 5 p.m. when usually I vlog here will be even busier and busier. When is it now? However, it's really busy anyways. At the end, I'm gonna tell you, I just stopped in one restaurant on Jalamanki Forest, pretty normal restaurant. I often used to have a lunch here. So many tourists actually everywhere, and behind me right now, everywhere. And on the other side, however, the streets looks actually pretty quiet at the moment when I'm filming right now, but you have to trust me, it's actually pretty busy right now in Ubud, guys. All right, thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow on next on See Ya.